Hello, today I'm showing you the Thomas and Friends Muddy Adventure playset. This Thomas set includes a collapsed bridge and just 4 folding track pieces. When Thomas crosses the collapsed bridge, he gets muddy. But don't worry, warm water washes the mud right off. Chugga, 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 choo choo. Oh dear, I'm muddy. And now for my favorite part, let's play with some color changer cars. Whoops, looks like we created quite the traffic jam. Stay tuned for even more Disney Car Toys matchups. Thanks for watching and have a great day.